SJ6000 Laser Interferometer Measurement of Rotary Axis Accuracy Operation Video. Measuring the angular position of the rotary axis with a laser and angular interferometer and a WR50 rotary table. The software combines the angular position of the rotary axis with readings from the laser and angular optics. This is the true angular position of the calibrated machine axis. After measurement, the software automatically calculates the rotary axis error according to the selected machine tool standard and compensates for it. Schematic of rotary axis measurement. Installation and dimming procedure. First, install and secure the chuck on the machine tool's rotary axis. Use a dial indicator or micrometer to calibrate the concentricity and flatness of the rotary table. The concentricity should be within 0.2 mm, and flatness should be within 0.06 mm. Then, install the automatic precision rotary table in the chuck and secure it with the two tongue depressors on the chuck. Insert the Bluetooth adapter into the computer's serial port and turn on the rotary table switch button. Open the rotary axis software. The blinking green light on the turntable indicates a normal Bluetooth connection between the software and the turntable. Note: to ensure the software can connect via Bluetooth properly, set the software to run as administrator before opening it. After opening the software, check if the default serial port matches the Bluetooth serial port on the computer. In the software, click the reset button, and the rotary table will automatically find the zero position. After the rotary table returns to the zero position, switch to the rotary table control mode. Adjust the laser interferometer to a horizontal state, directing the laser into one of the rotary table's mirrors. Adjust the laser beam to the center line of the white target by manipulating the pan or tilt knobs. Mount the angular interferometer mirror and slightly oscillate the angle mirror to overlap the two beams of light in the center of the white target. Open the laser headlight gate. The three signal lights should turn green, indicating that dimming is complete. Software configuration. For example, with measurements taken from 0 to 360 degrees, spaced 30 degrees apart, and measured sequentially in both directions, perform the following settings. Click the New Item button to enter the measurement settings. Click Information to note equipment information. Click to set the running direction, run sequence, positioning method, number of runs, over range, target position data, and interval information. In Machine Files, set up the machine tool system, running axis, pause time, over range, and positioning speed method. Click Generate button, then save to the generated machine program to the desktop. Copy it to a USB flash drive, and then copy the program from the USB to the machine to run it. Click Trigger to set data collection requirements, including tolerance band, reading stability, and measurement period. Click OK to enter the collection interface. Click the Start Measurement button for optical calibration confirmation. If confirmed, click the OK button to proceed with data collection.